Under the patronage of the Ministry of Health, the Pediatric Hematological Oncology Department performed the first stem cell transplant for a child infected with neuronal cancer.
And the patient has been diagnosed since July of 2019 and started treatment with the chemotherapy at the National Bank of Kuwait Hospital. More with Adra Jabri in this report.
Under the patronage of the Ministry of Health, the Pediatric Hematology Oncology Department did the first stem cell transplant for a child who was infected with neuronal cancer. The patient has been diagnosed since July 2019 and started treatment with the chemotherapy at the National Bank of Kuwait Hospital.
We had our first stem cell transplant for children in Kuwait on 26th of October 2020 of this year in the COVID-19 era. It was challenging actually to do it. The type of the stem cell transplant is called autologous. Autologous means from the same person. The child who had this transplant is actually had a cancer disease from her nervous system, and it was diagnosed around a year ago, and she had a lot of chemotherapy. She had then after that surgical procedures done to remove the tumor. After that, we managed to do the stem cell collection, and this is a very sophisticated, scientific, actually high standard technique. We do it in a special lab in Yaqub Bahbahani, so they collaborated with us very well. We managed to preserve this and freeze it for some time while preparing the patient for transplant. Preparation of the patient for transplant take a procedure, and it's a very long procedure, like giving chemotherapy. Before that, we managed to do all the investigation, making sure the patient is fit to go into the transplant.
The Pediatric Hematology Oncology Department started the procedure to heal the child, and the surgery succeeded. This was the first stem cell transplant by the Pediatric Hematology Oncology Department at the National Bank of Kuwait Hospital. It was a huge success in the region of His Highness Sheikh Nawaf Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah. This was Adra Jaber reporting Kuwait English News.